Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Base stop using Face ID and now asks for your full passcode every single time you open it? The fix is right inside your iPhone settings under Face ID and Passcode. Takes 30 seconds. First, go to your settings app on your iPhone and then tap for Face ID and Passcodes or search for it. Now enter your passcode when prompted. Scroll down to the section called Other Apps. Now, this is the list of apps allowed to use Face ID on your phone. Scroll through and find Base. If the toggle next to it is switched off, tap on it to turn it on. If the toggle is already on but Face ID still does not work inside Base, tap it off and then back on again to reset the permissions completely. After changing the toggle, force close Base from your recent app by swiping it away and then reopening the app. It should now prompt Face ID automatically on the unlock screen. If Base does not appear in the Face ID app list at all, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, find Base in the list of apps, and then tap Offload app and reinstall it again from the App Store. After reinstalling, you'll need to unlock the app with your existing passcode once and it will then prompt to enable Face ID. This does not affect your wallet or recovery phase at all. So, all you gotta do is go to your settings and then Face ID and Passcode. Find Base in the list, toggle it on, force close and reopen. Face ID will be working in Base again. Your wallet stays untouched and that's it. Subscribe.